Good morning, my dear students. Today I am continuing with our chapter 2 in geography, land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife resources. Students, yesterday I am explaining you about the first important natural resource, that is land resource, land use and the factor that affecting the land use pattern. Now students, today I am explaining you change in land use pattern and conservation of land. Now students, the pattern of land use in a particular region may change from time to time depending upon the changes in human requirements. Thus, land that is now under the forest cover may be used for settlements, growing crops, or setting up of industries in the future. Technologically, advancements may also lead in a, to a change in a pattern of land use. For example, development of transport system has led to a change in a pattern of land use. Now students, the population of world is increasing at an alarming rate and so are the demands of the people may increase day by day. To meet these demands, forest land is being converted into the agricultural land. Agricultural land is being converted to industrial land and community land is being used for making buildings and houses. These changing patterns of land use reflect the culture changes of our society. So now due to the rapid increase in activities related to agriculture, industries and manufacturing, the pressure on land resource is increasing. As a result, problems like land degradation, landslides, soil erosion, land pollution, etc. are increasing. Therefore, we must make use of land in a systematic way so that minimum utilization is ensured at minimum cost and labor. Now, a well planned land use is called land conservation. To ensure a well planned land use and to minimize land degradation, following steps should be taken. According to a Natural Resources Management Division's Department of Agriculture and Corporation, Ministry of Agriculture, Government of India, we can conserve our land resource by adopting the following measures. By educating, informing and sensitizing all landholders about various aspects of his precious resource and their sustainable use. Afforestation should be promoted, use of chemical fertilizers and insecticides should be regulated. Counter plowing is another measure to conserve our land. By terracing method also, a series of wide steps are made along the slope following the counters. Overgrazings by cattle should be checked. Mining activities should be controlled. Industrial effluents should be treated before discharging them on land or into river. Strict actions are taken by check recklessly felling of trees and overgazing. Shelter belts, rows of trees are planted on the margins of the desert area to check the fury of winds. Locating landslides prone areas by using hazards mapping and expanding the vegetation across land to control landslides. No construction work should be allowed in landslide prone areas. Strong counter barriers should be raised to stop the slipping of lands. So many methods are there. From that methods we can conserve our land resources. Thank you, students.